Okay, so welcome back to Unit 10, Outdoor and Adventurous Activities, Task 1. This week we are focusing on kayaking. So again, exactly the same as the indoor climbing leaflet and the caving leaflet, we are producing a kayaking leaflet aimed at introducing this activity to newcomers, to beginners. So again, we've got those three areas that we're going to be focusing on. Number one, we're going to be looking at what kayaking involves, what equipment's needed, and some of the core skills. Number two, we're going to be looking at whereabouts we can go as a beginner to start out kayaking and learn all the skills so that we can become an independent paddler. And number three, we're going to introduce where we can find more information around kayaking, core skills, equipment, etc. by looking at the British Canoeing website. Okay. So to start off with, equipment wise and also core skills, what I did this morning was I went down to the lake, okay, where I'm going to introduce those areas, okay, whilst actually on the water. So we're going to cut across to me this morning down at Mammoth's Lake. Hello and welcome to another short video. This time the activity is kayaking. We're down at Mammoth's Lake, which is where your lessons are going to take place. So we're just going to go through some kit first of all, and then we'll look at some short skills. So as I said in the PowerPoint, obviously for kayaking we're going to need a boat. Okay, we're going to need a paddle, which is double-ended. Okay, so we've got a double-ended paddle there. Buoyancy aid, really important. Okay, I've got my wetsuit on. In case I go in the water, it's going to keep me warm. And you can't see my feet, but I've got my kayak shoes on. Okay, just in case I stand on anything sharp. There's a lot of people fishing around here, so there's things like fish hooks, maybe little bits of glass, stones, etc. So it protects our feet. Okay guys, so you probably noticed I'm not wearing a helmet today, and the reason why that is because the water's pretty deep, and even on the shallow edges there's no big rocks or anything like that, so there's no danger of me bashing my head. So in the PowerPoint you'll see that on the equipment helmets is listed, but there's no need for helmets today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through three skills, okay, which are listed in your PowerPoint. The first one is forwards paddling, the second one is a sweep stroke, and the third one is a capsize drill. Stop.
First one, forward stroke. Second one, sweep stroke. Skill number three, getting back in the boat in the water. Capsize, climb back into your boat in the water.
Paddle. You can paddle back to the side, empty your boat of water.
Capsize, swim back to the side.
Don't forget your boat and your paddle. Okay. Okay, so we've seen the equipment that we need to get started in kayaking. Okay, just a little note again, wasn't wearing a helmet this morning because it was flat water. Okay, there was no risks, no hazards. Okay, so this morning there wasn't a need to wear a helmet. Okay, when on moving water, rivers, in the sea, etc., you would always make sure you wear a helmet. In terms of core skills, only focused on 3 this morning. You'll see in the PowerPoint there are a few others that you need to focus on and explain in your leaflet, such as lifting and carrying a kayak, launching a kayak, stern rudder, emptying a kayak. Okay, so just a couple more core skills for you to add into your actual leaflet. So moving on to where a beginner can go to learn how to develop the core skills in this activity. We're going to use the same place as where I'm going to take you guys, which is Manvers Waterfront Boat Club in Wath-upon-Dearne. Okay, so that's what we're going to put in the leaflet. So remember, the leaflet's going to basically identify what kayaking's all about, the equipment needed, and introduce the core skills. We're then going to tell a beginner that if they want to try this activity out, they can go along to Manvers Waterfront, okay, and book a session and learn that activity with an instructor. Okay, so looking on the website there down at Manvers Waterfront, okay, you'll be able to see links to paddling sessions and try it sessions. So what I really want you to do is try and find out the days, okay, and the times and the price of booking a try it session in kayaking. You will see on the Manvers Waterfront that there's lots of activities that you can do down there. Remember, for this leaflet, we are focusing purely on kayaking. And again, similar to what we've done on the other 2 activities, we're basically pointing out that if anybody needs further information, okay, about kayaking, we're trying to signpost them to the British Canoeing website. So there's lots of information on there. So again, I want you to log on to the British Canoeing website, okay, and list the information that's on there that would be relevant to a beginner starting out in this particular activity. Again, this is a leaflet. We're trying to introduce it to beginners. We're trying to sell this activity to beginners. So lots of pictures, photos, okay, add those into your leaflet, and that will supplement, okay, your notes, etc. Again, just like all 3 activities now, indoor climbing, okay, kayaking, as well as caving, okay, nearly forgot that one then, caving, okay, they are specialist activities which carry an element of risk and danger. So all 3 activities should always be carried out under the guidance and supervision of a qualified instructor who, okay, will sign you off to become independent once you master the skills and are deemed safe in that particular activity. So I suppose what I'm trying to say is, by writing about these activities in your leaflets, it does not qualify you to go out and do these activities without a qualified instructor. So please don't, okay? That's it, okay, that's the final leaflet for this summer, okay. What we will be doing in September is finishing off the 4th leaflet, okay, which will be to do with hill walking. But for now, okay, you're just doing those 3 leaflets only: indoor climbing, caving and kayaking. Have a fantastic summer. I am going to put some more videos on so that when we start back in September, again, we can hit the ground running, all right, and we're going to be well in front of ourselves. It's going to take a lot more pressure off when we complete this unit, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit the subscribe button if you've not already done so. That's fantastic. It doesn't cost anything, okay, but you will get notifications about new videos that I put on, okay, in the coming weeks, okay? Thanks for watching.